So we should make y the subject of equation 1. Good. Okay. So making So let's make y the subject of equation 1. Let's make y the subject of equation 1. So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So making y the subject of equation 1 means 2x is going to move to the right, and also 3 is going to move to the right. So the first value we need to move to the right is 2x. In order to move 2x to the right, we need to introduce the opposite of 2x, which is minus 2x. So we have 2x minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. So 2x will cancel 2x. We have 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Next, we need to eliminate 3. For us to do that, we need to divide both sides by 3. So divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 will cancel 3. We have y is equal to 13 minus 2x over 3. So now we've made y the subject of equation 1. So let's call this equation 3. So since we started with equation 1, when we are substituting, we are going to substitute into equation 2. We started with equation 1, so we are going to substitute into equation 2. So substituting means that wherever we see y in equation 2, we are going to replace it with 13 minus 2x divided by 3. So we're going to remove this y here and replace it with 13 minus 2x divided by 3. So let's do that. Okay. So we've done that. We've substituted. We've replaced y in equation 2 by 13 minus 2x divided by 3. So now how do we eliminate this divided by 3? So to eliminate divided by 3, we have to multiply the entire equation by 3. When you multiply the entire equation by 3, this 3 as a denominator is going to cancel out 3, because 3 is going to multiply 2x to give you 6x, plus 2 is going to multiply 13 minus 2x all over 3. 13 minus 2x over 3 times 3. So 3 will cancel out 3. Okay, so you are going to be left with 13 minus 2x. So we have 13 minus 2x. And then 3 is going to multiply 17. That will give us 51. So now we bring the x together. We have 6x minus 2x. We can move plus 13 to the right and it becomes minus 13. It's equal to 51 minus 13. So 6x minus 2x will give us 4x. Is equal to 51 minus 13 is going to give us 38. 38. Did we make mistake anywhere? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So here is 21, sorry. Here is okay, so this makes here to be equal to 8. Okay, thank you. So just one mistake can just cancel out everything that the good work you've done. So 4x is equal to 8. So dividing both sides by 4. So 4 is going to cancel out 4. We have x is equal to 2. Thank you for the correction. Yeah, Kem said it's easier to make y the subject of equation 2. That's correct. So why it is easier is because whenever you have a situation like this, and then you have one of the variables that has its coefficient, that is the number in front of it, as 1, When you don't see any number, of course, we know that means the number in front of that alphabet is 1. So when you have an equation like this and you see something, you see a variable like this without a number, that is the one you make the subject of the formula, the subject of the equation, to make your work easier, to make your work faster. You can just use this one, okay? So, but we use this one because I told you guys to choose the one you want, okay? So if you decide to make this one the subject, you end up getting the same answer. Okay. So we've gotten x to be equal to 2. So now just as we did in the first example, since we now know x to be equal to 2, so we put it back into equation 3. So now we have y is equal to 13 minus 2. Instead of having x here, we're going to have 2 all over 3. So we have 13 minus 2 times 2 gives us 4 all over 3. So this will give us 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. This means our final answer is x is equal to 2, comma y is equal to 3. Okay.